What's going on, skiers and riders? It's Kevin here with your Friday, December 20th Wachusett Mountain Snow Report. As you can see, it's another beautiful bluebird sky here at Wachusett. Gorgeous weather, I can't complain at all. Every Friday this season has been fantastic. So make sure you get on up here. But it is a little bit chillier today with temps ranging about 7 to 25 degrees, so make sure you bring that extra layer, gloves, face mask, and your goggles, as it will help you stay warm on the slopes. If you forget anything, make sure you check out Mountain Ski and Ride Shop, as they have it all to keep you warm here at Wachusett. If you do end up getting cold here on the slopes, don't worry, we have plenty of options to warm up, such as Bullock's Lodge, where you can get some awesome refreshments and warm yourself up by the fires, or even down on the base of the mountain. We have the heated patio as well as a fireplace, so make sure you go check those out to warm yourself up to keep those runs going. We have 17 trails operated by 5 lifts spinning to the top today, with trail-to-trail coverage. These snowmakers are doing a fantastic job, so how about we give them a thanks?
How you doing? We're here at Wachusett, snowmakers, 12-hour shifts. We're pumping out more snow than the groomers can handle. We're gonna have the best park all around.
We have moved the park over to Hitchcock, as we have 5 features, 3 boxes, a tube, and a small jump. However, it's going to be a delayed opening today, as these snowmakers have cranked out tons of snow. I mean mountains of snow up on Hitchcock, so they can shape the park to be better than ever. Since the new park has been moved on to Hitchcock, park passes are also available. They only cost $5 and are available at the customer service desk. They last the entire season. Tomorrow, December 21st, is the shortest day of the year. So, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna celebrate it! As well as the Polar Express celebration. It's an awesome tradition we have here at Wachusett, with showings of Polar Express all day long, arts and crafts, and even small treats to enjoy. You know, I've heard a rumor Santa Claus might actually show up. So, I know he's pretty busy this time of year, but he might make a surprise visit.
Every time I come to Wachusett, I'm skiing on packed powder, no matter if it's in the morning, afternoon, or evening. The conditions are sensational. The snow quality that they make is bar none. It rivals any resort in the East, and it's got a real family atmosphere. You come here and you feel welcome all the time.
Alrighty folks, that's all I have for today. Make sure you check out Wachusett.com, our social media, and these snow reports for any and all updates. I'll see you guys on the slopes and have a great day.
Wachusett.